This is what it looks like, okay? This is the reality of curly hair. Okay, queen, so for today's video, we are in the bathroom doing a curly hair refresh because as y'all can see from the clip before, my hair was looking crazy. So your girl needed to get it together because I could not be hopping on Zoom calls looking like that. I mean, I could. Curly hair can be really hard, and honestly, sometimes we just don't have time to be doing a full-on 2-hour routine. So I have to freshen it up because I have some meetings this morning. This is just a little crazy for filming. I mean, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I like rocking my hair very voluminous and just letting it be. I didn't blow dry my hair, so when it air dried, it just... This is what it looks like, okay? This is the reality of curly hair. I'm gonna show y'all all the products that I use to refresh this hair. I changed shirts because curly routines can get super messy and I was not trying to mess up my Lulu. We need it in its prime condition. I've been sucked into Lululemon a couple of years ago, and honestly, I don't really have that many pieces, but the pieces that I do have lasted really long. This isn't enough, okay? The way, with how like dry and how big my hair is right now, I'm gonna need to just dunk my head in the shower. So the hair is soaked. Now let's put the products in. Your girl has to get to work soon, so we're refreshing the curls quick. We're starting off with Crazy Sexy Curl from B-Girl, and I really like their stuff. It's super good for curly hair. It just gives a bit of a refresh to the curls, and I want this tutorial to be like really easy for y'all, so I don't want y'all to have to spend too much time refreshing the curls because curly hair takes long enough as is, especially when you have a hair type like mine. Like there's just, I have too much hair. Don't get me wrong, sometimes I do like a little bit more like of a defined routine and spending like a little bit more time on my hair, but sometimes I don't have that time. And let's be real, sometimes I don't want to spend that much time on my hair. Sometimes I do want to get more definition, and I do, and I'll use different techniques for it. But if we just, the point is we just want it to look good for now. If that's what you want, like if you're going for definition and you want your curls to like pop a little bit more, of course, spend more time on your hair. Like the results are amazing. But again, for like when you're just in a rush to get to work, you're a working girl like me, you just have to be somewhere quick, like, but you want it to still look good, you can definitely do that. Completely saturate this hair. It has a little bit of slip too, so it's great. Okay, so now that I've completely saturated the hair, I'm going in with my bounce curl brush. I've already done this side, that's why it looks a little bit more together. I love this bounce curl brush because like gets that definition quick. Not like the best at detangling, but that's not really what I'm using it for because I already detangled yesterday. It's a good definition brush, and this one is their volume brush, so this brush gives me so much volume. I think I give more water there. I'm in a rush, so this needs to be as quick as possible, and I don't want y'all to feel like, oh, I have too much curly hair, I can't do it, I don't have enough time, like da-da-da. Like, no girl, just do your hair. It's something that I'm working on. I'm trying to do my hair more, so I just try to find some like hacks because I want to do my hair and I want my hair to be done, but at the same time I don't want to spend 2 to 3 hours trying to do all this hair. I'm putting one more coat of that mousse just to kind of let it all set in. Now we're using the B-Girl gel. I genuinely love this gel. It's so good. Again, it goes by the dew. I'm literally almost out, but this hold is amazing. Like, this is what your girl needs. I don't think I've tried a gel like this or better than this, honestly. I like to just put this all throughout the hair, distribute it even, make sure you're getting the backside too, and I like to do praying hands as well. The praying hands are great for curls. At least for my curl type, I don't know, it just does something. It really does something to them, keeps them in place. I need to go to Target like ASAP because I generally don't think I can live without this gel. Ready? Now we're set and locked in. And honestly, all you need to do next is blow dry your hair for like 5 to 10 minutes just to set it in, and you're good. Like, you don't need to stand around and wait for the blow dryer to finish completely drying your hair. When you're in a rush, just let the rest air dry, and then you'll get that good volume. I promise. Because I want to make sure that this doesn't fail, I'm adding in a bit more gel, and I don't want the ends to be frizzy because the ends is where the actual curls are. And I'm taking like a little amounts, by the way, and I'm just kind of working it in on the ends. I feel like I get a little bit more control. Sometimes if I put too much, I'm like, okay, so now we want to just set the hair with your blow dryer. Genuinely, I had to cave and get this because it dries super quick. But don't worry, if you don't have the Dyson hair dryer, just put your regular hair dryer on medium and use a little bit of heat. Like, if your hair's healthy, you can do low heat or even high heat if you want to speed up the drying process, and it'll just really let that cast set in. Don't have to worry about it, and then just let it air dry, and I promise you'll love the results. Now the hair cast is set. My hair is not dripping wet or anything, and now that the cast is set, it can air dry, and it'll air dry pretty nicely, I hope. Right now it is a little bit flat. Obviously it still has to air dry fully to get that volume. I honestly kind of like the wet look a little bit, and I like the length that I get when my hair is a little bit damp, so I don't mind going out the house with my hair looking like this. Just volumize throughout the day. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair looks now. It honestly came out pretty good considering that it only took me like 10 minutes to do and then maybe another 10 minutes to air dry. I would say the results are amazing. When you have like big hair like me, you gotta get what you can get. I like the volume, and I'm not hating the frizz. I actually have been embracing frizz a lot more recently, especially because my hair is naturally frizzy. Like, this is just my hair. I'm pretty happy with the results, and let me know if y'all end up trying this routine, and let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. I'm really not mad at it. She's looking cute. She's looking good together. Yeah, girl, just remember that curly hair doesn't have to be hard, and you don't have to take 2 to 3 hours to do your hair. But, you know, obviously if that's what you want to do and you want like a super max definition, yeah, those curly hair routines are going to take a lot of time. I really love the foam and the gel. The foam has like a little bit of slip. I did have conditioner in it earlier, or from yesterday, so I just had to wet it in the conditioner reactivated, so I didn't have to worry about like putting in an extra curl cream or anything. Do you like how I'm switching it up with the scenery? Like, you got one of me in front of my desk, you're getting a video of me in the bathroom, and all my other videos have been like in front of this little corner, this little nook in my room. So yeah, I'm trying to switch up the settings. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps the content circulate here on YouTube. And stay tuned, because your girl is posting every single day until summer is over, because I want to test YouTube's algorithm. Can I actually grow on YouTube if I post consistently every single day? Stay tuned to find out. Talk to you later. Bye.